Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your harvest time tracking software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you disconnect or remove your Stripe account from your harvest account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Stripe account from your harvest account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes Stripe can put your payments on hold. So maybe you'd rather just remove your Stripe and credit card payment options. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Harvest app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Harvest account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and disconnect your Stripe account, what you're going to do is click on settings here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu and you want to click here on integration. All right. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll through until you see the Stripe logo right down here. If you don't see it for some reason, don't worry, just click on search and type in Stripe. All right, once you do that, it should pop up right here and you want to click on view settings. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to be brought to this box. So it's going to let you know how you have your Stripe connected. So here I can accept credit cards and here is bank transfers. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this credit card. Okay. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on save setting. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes and you'll see this blue pop up, successfully updated Stripe settings. So now my invoices do not include a payment link to pay with credit card with my Stripe. Okay. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and click right here and go to your Stripe account to close that down from your Harvest account. So I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to show you how you can find it. Click here, go to your Stripe account. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to bring you here to your account details inside of Stripe. And what you're going to do is just scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to click on this button here, close account. I'm not going to do that because I still use my Stripe with my Harvest account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or disconnect your Stripe from your Harvest account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.